So, so yeah, the YOLO projects I'm gonna do. அது வந்து கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு நான் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். It's a lot of manual work, a lot of manual data labeling. Oh shit! I swear, bro, I need to close this shit. It's fucking scary shit out of me. Okay, I got the YOLO project, bro. Whatever. I got the YOLO project on the side. I'm doing it by myself. It's a lot of manual labeling, which is not really. I could do a stream, but it's somewhat manual. It's actually really good for my jiu-jitsu too. It's crazy how that works. And yeah, it's a lot of manual work. And I'm gonna do a lot of calculus on the side, on the stream. I'm doing it on the side, but yeah, gonna do integral calculus. Gonna get a understanding of that. And what the fuck? Gonna do some calculus. Hopefully I can cover some of the calculus 1 stuff, but it's gonna be difficult. It's definitely gonna be difficult. And yeah, I might like dip my toes into I don't know, linear algebra is the goal for sure, but I think for me to like progress in linear algebra, I need to do some projects. What I'm gonna do, I might do some projects today, but yeah, while I'm progressing with like some projects with linear algebra, I wanna get some calculus basics down at least. I'm gonna get the calculus 1 down at least. I think calculus 2 is what's been taught in uni, I think. It's actually like the impressive thing about it is I can like use computers to like do some projects. That's the best thing about it. The whole ordeal about calculus. So yeah, I think calculus 1 I'm pretty like kinda okay at it. I mean, but I need to do my refreshing. And yeah, antiderivatives, also known as okay. I need to do some projects. I did some projects with the linear algebra. I didn't like do like a full-on thing, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, let's. I think I was doing use substitution the other day. I don't know. I was fucking tired. Shit, should I do? Should I put my hair on? No, probably not. No, I didn't mean to do that.
Is if you want the integral of secant squared.
What's going on? Why is it not playing? You're supposed to play.
X. Dx. Well, I know that integral of secant squared.
Why is this not
And
playing?
the last main one you need to know is if you want the integral of secant squared x.
You're
dx.
supposed to be loud. You're supposed to be loud and obnoxious. And commit half the crime. What is going on?
Well, I know that if I
Okay, got it. Is it gonna echo? My stream's gonna echo.
differentiate tan, I get c.
Fuck, that was good. Oh, I love sneezing.
Secant squared.
Let's get this shit set up. Set it up. No! Why did I do that? Fuck. Go back. I accidentally pressed Netflix. On my TV. Fuck, I hate these. Come on, don't do this. Whatever. Fucking turn it off. I don't need you anymore. Fucking piece of shit. Piece of shit. You're a piece of shit, mate. Okay. Let's look at the.
So tan is the antiderivative of secant squared of x. So these three integration rules are fundamental when working with trig functions. You'd probably do
Okay, it works. It works. Trig function. Before that, I need to learn what the U substitution is. So, give me an example though. Network transfer is slow. Please. What the fuck? Why am I getting these issues? Such a stops. Ah, fuck, I'm wasting time. Precious time that I could never get back. I'm gonna. Okay, let's go. Full screen. So, how does it actually like help me do anything? So if it's like two functions and one is a derivative of the other, what does that mean? What does that mean, nigga? What does that mean, nigga? Okay, what's going on? What am I looking at?
Can't forget. Our variable of integration is x. So it waits over here.
Give me an example, bro.
X dx.
Use substitution. I did all of this before. It's just like refresher. One big refresher course. Okay, give me a fucking example. Okay, x dot x square plus 1 5 square. Okay, let's what is, how is it done again? Okay, what should I do? What should I do with that information, bro? Okay, let's assume u is equal to x square plus 1 for some reason, and du will be 2x plus c. Du is equal to 2x plus c. Is that, no, plus c is for it. No, it's for integration. Whatever, bro. Whatever, we know this. So we're just integrating f of u. Where does u come from? Oh, I'm just integrating that shit over there. So why am I taking the du? Oh, I'm multiplying. So du would be dx. So what I'm gonna do is integrate f function of u, which is x squared plus 1 multiplied by... Why am I multiplying it? What the fuck? By 2x. So I need to like do it in parts, right? So the first one would be 3x by 3 plus x. This one will be by 2, gets cancelled. When we multiply that shit, it will be x cubed plus 3x multiplied by x squared. So it will be 5x plus 3x cube. No, 3x. Same thing. So this will be the integral. So when I so if I take out the x out of it, it will be x squared plus 3x plus... What the fuck is going on? What did I do wrong? This is the answer that I'm getting, but I'm pretty sure it's not the right one. I'm getting x squared. I'll just write it down on the screen, out of all places. I'm getting x squared. My handwriting is getting improved every day, which is good. I'm getting this. I don't know why, but let's see. Let's see.
Differential form, I'd write du equals, well, the derivative of x squared plus 1.
Okay. We know that.
Replace it with
What?
a half du.
What the fuck? Oh, I'm supposed to do that too? What? Bro, what? What the fuck you talking about, man? Oh, I didn't replace the dx and all of that. Yeah, I need to look into u substitution. Fuck, u substitution. Should be a video for that. This is definitely not the answer, I think.
Let's start.
Use substitution, 21 minutes. Yeah, why not? Let's build ourselves. I mean, this is the thing, right? நீங்க ரொம்ப நாளா ஜிம்முக்கு போயிட்டு ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணலனா திரும்பி ஒரே நாள்ல போயிட்டு நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா it's gonna be fucking terrible, right? You're gonna get aches all day, so it's better to like take it slowly than...
And I can replace x squared plus 1.
Slow motion is better than no motion.
I can replace that with u.
Okay.
To u with a half factor in the context variable of integers of u. So in my rules number 6. This
U substitution. It's wrong.
I'm going to show you how to integrate using U substitution. So we're going to focus on definite integrals. How can we find the angle?
What is definite integrals? So are we like finding the area under the curve? Not only that, we are using small addition. Bro, how did they even figure it out? Like Newton, how did you figure this shit out, bro? It's crazy.
Times x squared plus 5.
Newton be saying that the most basic shit. I mean, like every object at rest stays at rest. It's like, bro, easiest shit ever.
So what do we need to do? We need to define two things. We need to
Okay.
the derivative. If we
Why? I don't get it. Like, can I not? So u is gonna be. Okay, let me just try it. U is gonna be x squared. I know this. I've done this a million times. And du dx is gonna be dun 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 dun. Oh wait, what the fuck? U is gonna be that. Two x so x du by 2 x dx is gonna be that. So let's there's gonna be 4 du by 2 u cubed. This is gonna get cancelled, so it's gonna be 2 du two x du, and the integration of this shit is, oh, I think I got it 6 u 4 4 3 2 du. And what else? What am I missing? I need to substitute back this back again. Okay. This is gonna be 3x squared plus. I don't know if this is right or not, but I'm just gonna. I'll write my answer over here. 3 u4. Nah, what the fuck am I doing, bro? That's clearly not the answer. It's gonna be x squared plus 5/4 divided by 2. Delete. Why did I delete? Okay. Let's go.
Select u to be 4x. The derivative will be 4, and that's not going to get rid of x squared plus 5. We need to change all of the x variables into u variables. Now, if we make u equal to x squared plus 5, du dx, let's go ahead and do that. So we have then d 4x corresponding to x squared plus 5.
Bro, how did you get that? Bro, my handwriting, that's what it is it? Is it my handwriting? We will never know. Okay, let me do that again. So what am I doing wrong? So I need to find dx. Is that what it is? Oh yeah, it fucking makes sense. Fucking it does. It does, mate. Why is this getting cancelled over there? Okay, x is getting cancelled. Okay, 2. Okay, let me try that again. Fucking bitch. Freya.
So let's set u equal to x squared plus 5. du is...
Fuck. I did the wrong thing. Fuck. No, I'm thinking about something else. Fuck. Why did I do that? So embarrassing. So embarrassing. Never doing that shit again. Why did I crush this paper? Who knows? I like to live in a messy room. It's an aesthetic. It's an aesthetic to do basic integral calculus in a messy room. It's so aesthetic. Ooh, aesthetic, bro. So aesthetic. Okay, 4x. End of the day, it's just like an algorithm that I'm learning. U is gonna be x squared plus 5. So I'm finding dx. Is that what it is? Why am I substituting for dx? I don't get it. Like, okay, I kind of get it. Okay, let this shit go here. Come down. Why am I finding dx? I don't get it though. Dx is equal to du divided by this thing. So when I substitute it, should be 4x u cubed. Dx will be du by 2x. X is going to get cancelled. It's going to be 2. 2 is going to get outside it. Bro, yeah, having a good handwriting is a fucking cheat code to being good at math. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? But what am I doing it wrong? Doing it wrong, nigga, doing it wrong. Why am I getting this answer? So it is. That's what I'm getting.
If cancel 6. So what I'm going to do now is solve for dx in this equation with f du inside times 1/2 x squared.
That's the right answer.
Sine 4x.
Brother, cosine. I'm heading out. Fuck. Okay, I think I got this thing down. So let me like see this. So what do you guys fucking do? Limits, continuity, including the idea of that. Yeah, I kind of understand that. Definition of a derivative, maybe. I mean, yeah, logarithm. Yeah, that's another thing that I need to learn. Where do I write all of this shit down? So I need to learn logarithm. That's one thing. Limits is definitely top 10, and derivative. I need to learn that. Implicit logarithmic differentiation. What the application of derivative? Okay. Application. That's cool. Bro, it's fucking fun. Antiderivative. Yeah. Basics. That's what I'm working backwards. Don't know why, but to be fair, like I know the chain rule and all of that. I think. But yeah. Ooh, calculus 2. It's all calculus 2. Use substitution as calculus 2? Fuck no. Fuck no, it's not calculus 2. So I'm doing calculus 2. Maybe. Bro, I did this shit when I was in 12th grade. It's not calculus 2. Fuck no. Okay.
dx. So what should we make u equal to? We need to make u equal to 4x. du will equal 4 dx.
No, let's learn trig.
Tan.
I need to write something down. This is the better way to look at it, I think. Is equal. I'm using this shit, bro. So integration is just antiderivative. We're just derivating on the x thing. I don't know why. I wanna visually like learn it, but exponent rule, bro. This is some easy shit. Brother, fucking, I don't wanna give that to you. Don't wanna give that to you, bro. Yeah, I just need a multivariable. So should I take it? Question mark, question mark? Probably not. So that's how the neural network works. It's like a graph. It's like a 3D graph, and it's just like trying to find the valley, the slope, the lowest point of the valley. It's like water, right? Just goes down and finds the lowest and easiest way to like reside in. So that's the crux of it. Crux, whatever. Okay, let's do
Answer
this.
is written in terms of
trigonometry.
u, so we have to convert it back to be written in terms of x. So we look back to our original substitute over integration rules. Let me remind you about the differentiation rules for sine, cos, and tan. The derivative of sine
I'm not really going deep into it. And trig.
All right.
Bro, I like these kind of videos. I'm not even gonna lie. And what am I looking at? Best Calc. I think it's Yale. What is it, MIT? Bro, thank God for human intelligence. Like every you would think everyone would be like rushing to learn this, but it's like 10 people there, you know. Calculus 1. That's what I'm looking for. I don't think they even like teach calculus 1, do they? What is a single variable calculus? It's like a whole module. 33 lessons. Calculus. Highlight of calculus. Why is this guy talking? Introducing big picture of row. Yo, my man is talking calculus. Yo, didn't know he was like that. View complete course. Let's see. Bro, I didn't know. I'm pretty sure like I saw him do it, but what is it? Is it like calculus? Highlight of calculus, derivative 12 videos. So he just does derivative as interesting. Interesting. Let's go Gilbert Strand here again. Highlight different. Oh, look at my boy. Differential equation close up. So this, it's all undergraduate too. That's interesting. I thought he was a linear algebra guy. Didn't know he was like that. Vision of linear algebra, brother. Pack it up. No one wants to learn that. Pack it up. Pack that shit up right now. Machine learning, matrix method, and data analysis. And signal processing and machine learning, computer science, engineering, calculus. I just want to learn calculus though. I don't care from who. Calculus 1. Single. Oh, calculus 1 is what I'm doing. Single variable. This is. I think it is single variable, isn't it? Variable calc, question mark. Bro, ChatGPT. Multivariable calculus. Yes, everything listed as a single variable. Here's how. Mostly derivative and antiderivative. Stupid question, but it is what it is. Every real world ML problem is inherently multivariable. So yeah. For me to understand multivariable, bro, what even is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, it's just gonna be fucking this the whole time. When you look at a mathematics book, it's just gonna be that. Fuck. Okay, let's hear what
trigonometry, or algebra 3, or pre-calculus. Okay, lesson number 1. These are all the same thing. Trigonometry is algebra 3, trig meaning 3, and onometry meaning the study of. So how do we best learn about the number 3? Well, it takes half a year of relearning algebra 2, half a year of learning about the unit circle, and 4 seconds looking at triangles. Makes you wonder why they call it trigonometry. Anyways, remember pi? Here's e, his brother. E is the only number n such that the sum of k n's is a fixed r, and the product of k n's is a maximum given this fixed r. Okay, maybe that was a lot to think about. This is what it means. Imagine a bank gives you 5% interest every year, which never happens anymore, but go with it. So they give you 5% once a year. It's slightly nicer to get 2.5% twice a year instead. It's slightly better than that to get 1.25% 4 times a year. And you know what's way better than all that? Getting a tiny little fraction of a percent all the time, every single moment. So you just get infinite money, right? Wrong. Turns out this is equal to this. Nature's a strange beast. So now it's January and wrong. Turns out this is equal to this.
Initial money. Bro, I've done this. Fucking hell. I've done this in school. Fuck.
Nature's a strange beast. So now it's January in the school year, and we can finally learn about the unit circle, which is trigonometry at its core. Here's the unit circle. It's called a unit circle because its radius is 1, so the distance from the origin to any point on the perimeter of the circle is 1.
Introducing theta.
Don't be afraid, theta is just a variable like all the others, but instead of indicating how far to the right the point is, or how high up the point is, theta represents the distance rotated around the circle. Now, let's start at the point 1, 0 on the unit circle. There's nothing particularly interesting about the point 1, 0, except that the way that we decided to define trigonometric functions means that we have to start at 1, 0. You could start somewhere else, but then you'd have to change the way existing functions work. So, at the point 1, 0, you have rotated 0 degrees. At the point 0, 1, you have rotated 90 degrees. At the point negative 1, 0, you have rotated 180 degrees. At the point 0, negative 1, you have rotated 270 degrees. By the time you reach 360 degrees, you have rotated all the way back around to the original point 1, 0. Also, why are we using degrees? What's so cool about the number 360 anyways? Why don't we use a measurement that makes sense? Like the actual distance we've traveled along the circle. Well, it's a unit circle, and we know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So r is 1, so the distance to travel all the way around the unit circle is 2 pi. So I'm just going to write these down real quick. X equals cosine of theta, and y equals sine of theta. So the cosine of theta is quite literally the distance to the right when looking at a point on the perimeter of the circle.
Fuck, what am I doing? X is literally cosine? What do you mean literally? That's the unit circle, so X is cosine, sine. Okay.
Similarly, sine of theta is the distance up. So at the very beginning, when theta is 0, cosine of 0 is 1, because the point is 1 unit to the right. And sine of 0 is 0, because the point is 0 units up or down. Here's a graph where one axis is theta, or the amount rotated, and the other is x, or the amount moved to the right. Let's just look at the cosine of theta for right now. As we begin to rotate, we're moving further to the left, so cosine of theta is decreasing, and then stops at 0 once we've rotated pi over 2, that's 90 degrees for all you wondering. Then we move further to the left, so x decreases even further until it reaches negative 1, then we have nowhere to move but to the right.
So x is basically cosine, so this is cosine. And it just talks about how negative, positive, okay, that's what I wonder why they don't like represent it as positive and negative instead of 1. It's the same thing.
So it increases until it reaches 0, and then increases until it reaches 1. And then we've reached the point where we started. So looking at this graph, this pattern you see here just repeats as you increase theta, again and again, forever. Let's look at the sine of theta. You start at a y of 0, then you move up and up and up.
Oh, it just describes y. Why does it describe y? So sine is... Why is it 0 though? Why is this sine? Why is it 0? Don't get it.
Until you reach 1. Then you move back down until you reach 0, further down until you reach negative 1, and finally back up to 0. Gee, this graph sure looks familiar. What if we just yanked it back by pi over 2, or again 90 degrees, and we see that these graphs are exactly the same. They're just shifted over.
So yeah, let me just draw it. So in a unit circle, let's say circle, when you draw a triangle, .90 degrees is just like this going here, cosine. So it's the same thing. You can visualize it that way.
For a bit. In fact.
So yeah, let me get some water and yeah, all of calculus.
Sine
Let's
of
see.
theta plus pi over 2 equals cosine of theta.
Is
Tangent
calculus
of theta
dude that
is just
hard?
sine
Wait, what?
of theta.
I don't think so. Don't think so, bro. Why is it hard? Okay, let's go back to the...
let's talk a little
It's
bit.
all the same derivative. Is calc 2 that hard? How did they even like figure this shit out? Honestly, so yeah, I'm gonna get myself a coffee and think about it.
About calculus 2. So for those of you that don't know, calculus 2 has a rep.
No, take calculus 2 is not that hard. It's not that hard. Newton did it. The homosexual Newton, if homosexual Newton can do it, I can do it. Come on.
Is cosine. The derivative of cosine is
It always does one of these, I'm telling you. All of the
and the derivative of tan.
negative. I completely forgot about that. Why? So the cosine is the one in the bottom, right? Oh, I keep forgetting. What the fuck? It's definitely not on the bottom. It's definitely not on the bottom. Okay, it is in the bottom. Fuck. What? So the derivative of cosine is minus sine. What? Is it because it's going down? What even is derivation? I don't know.
Is sec
What is derivation? Like, derivation.
secant squared. of x. Knowing each of those derivative rules, we could easily come up with 3 basic integration rules. If I wanted the integral of cos x dx, all I'm looking for
Minus
is
sine.
what function, when I differentiate it, I get cosine. Well, I see up here when I differentiate sine, I get cosine. So the antiderivative of cos x is sine x plus c. And then if I want the
Whatever.
integral of sine x dx, well, what function can I differentiate to get sine? Well, differentiating cosine gives me negative sine. So differentiating negative cosine x would give me sine. So the antiderivative of sine x is negative cos x plus c. And the last main one you need to know is if you want the integral of secant squared x dx. Well, I know that if I differentiate tan, I get secant squared. So tan is the antiderivative of secant squared of x. So these 3 integration rules are fundamental when working with trig functions. You'd probably be able to find them in any integral table. And what I want to do now in this section is do a few examples where we'll need to use these rules, but also we'll need to use some trig identities and substitutions to be able to evaluate them. In this first example, we're looking for the integral of sine of 3x dx. I can't quite use this rule right.
Easy walk. I'm just gonna do it. Integral of sine x, sine 3x. Should I take that shit out? What should I do? I think it's just negative cos 3x plus c.
Right away, because the argument of sine is 3x, not just x. So what I'll do is I'll actually make a substitution. I can do u substitution.
Oh, u substitution. Okay, that's what I was thinking. No, f of u, right? Sine of u. Fuck. F of u. U is equal to 3x is equal to 3 plus x. Dx is equal to du by 3. I need to substitute all of this shit. So sine u du by 3 integrate. This shit like comes out. So 1 by 3 comes out. Sine x sine u du is equal to minus cos u 1 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 cos 3x, is that what it is? Plus c.
Factor in, I can just u is 1 exponent. Start by splitting that. Actually going to.
Bro, I'm such a genius. What the fuck? I should like. Okay, let's do this. This is like easy too. Same substitution. I mean, I don't think so.
What you're going to do whenever we have a cosine function with an odd exponent is you're actually going to split it and then use the Pythagorean identity. We'll start by
I don't know.
splitting that cosine at cosine is equal to 1 minus sine squared.
Bro, Pythagoras identity, I need to learn that. I know that, but I don't know instinctually. Okay. Bro, this guy Pythagoras is straight up a goat, man. How did he even came up with this? how did he come up with this? Low key, this guy is a genius, man. It's I mean, yeah. What? Oh, fuck. Yeah, low key. How did he come up with it? Like. Fuck. Prove the Pythagoras. Brother. A visual electric one diagram. 6 strict function in one diagram. Visualize one. Do I need to draw this somewhere? The fuck?
Now imagine that we rotate the radius some angle theta. Then the vertical distance between the point on the circle and the x-axis is called the sine of theta, while the horizontal distance between the point and the y-axis is called the cosine of theta. This means that the point on the circle has coordinates cosine theta, sine theta. Notice that the complementary angle in the first quadrant to theta is pi over 2 minus theta. So the
What? Pi over 2. So this thing will be pi divided by 2 minus theta. Okay.
cosine of theta is really the sine of the complement.
Cosine of theta is just a sine of the complementary angle. Brother. It's just a sine of the complementary angle. Complementary, the shit that next to. Say it in normal English, man. Come on.
Complementary angle.
We're not like you know what I mean? Like we're not about that life. We're like normal people.
That means that the cosine of theta is equal to the sine of pi over 2 minus theta.
Whatever, bro.
Now draw
Whatever.
the line that is tangent to the circle at the point and
Oh, tangent. Tan. I never knew that. Tangent. That's why it's called tangent. Brother. Tangent. Tan? Question mark? Bro, I never knew that. Fucking crazy.
perpendicular to the
Bro. Why didn't my teacher teach me in this way? This is so fucking good.
radius. Let's
That's-
label the
Oh, it's the radius too. Cool.
line segment D.
Oh, it's
Since
a
these two pictured triangles are similar, that means that the ratios of the side lengths are equal, so that D over 1 must be equal to sine of theta divided by cosine of theta.
what? What? So this is equal to that. What's going on? So D by 1 is equal to this by that. So we are getting from this D, bro, that is so good. I never knew tangent is an actual tangent line through a circle. Crazy discoveries, bro.
Therefore, the length of the must be the sine of theta over cosine theta, which we called the tangent of theta.
Oh, no way. No way. We're using it to we're taking the triangle and doing some mathematics. You know how it is, right?
We can use the same triangle similarity to compute the length of the hypotenuse of this new triangle to be 1 divided by the cosine of theta, which we then call the secant of theta. Now we perform a similar process, starting at the point on the circle and drawing a line perpendicular to the radius that connects to the y-axis with a length of d. Because the two pictured triangles are similar, we can see that d divided by 1 must equal cosine of theta divided by sine of theta. Therefore, the length of the new line we drew must be cosine of theta divided by sine of theta, and we define this to be the cotangent of theta. Similarly, we can compute the length of the hypotenuse of this new triangle using the similarity of triangles.
Bro, how is
To be
that?
1 divided by the sine of theta, which we define to be the cosecant of theta.
Yo. It's crazy.
As
It's
we
crazy.
change the angle theta, we see that all of these values change as well. In fact, if we let theta be pi over 2, we see that
Bro, I never knew that. Crazy.
tangent and secant are undefined at this point because those two lines don't intersect along the x-axis. Likewise, if we let theta vary all the way down to 0, we see a similar fact about the cosecant and the cotangent of 0. They are both undefined as well. We can get even more information from this diagram as we let theta vary. We see in particular that the sine function and the cosine function outputs must be between negative 1 and 1, as those lengths can't extend outside the unit circle, which has a radius of 1. And like
Okay, I'm just checking
we
out.
see
I
that
don't know
the
what's going on.
cosecant and the secant have absolute values that are greater than or equal to 1. And finally, we see that the tangent and the cotangent can take on any value between negative infinity and infinity as we rotate around the circle.
Huh.
Returning to our general diagram, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem to gain more insight about the trig functions. From this original right triangle, we see that the sine squared of theta plus
Bro,
the cosine squared
why didn't I learn like that? That is so... Whoa! Wait. No fucking way. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, why didn't I learn like this, man? Why didn't I learn like this? This is so fucking genius. Like, this is so fucking genius. Using unit square. Like, bro, who thought of this? We're like doing the Pythagoras identity now.
theta
Bro, what the fuck?
must equal 1.
Yo, I'm getting orgasms. Fuck. Okay.
From the right triangle created by the tangent and secant values,
Mhm.
we get that 1 plus the tangent squared of theta must equal the secant squared.
Okay, I can understand that. Okay. The 1 plus tan. So 1 plus tan is equal to the secant. Yeah, okay. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay.
Squared of theta. And from the
Okay.
right triangle from the cotangent and cosecant values, we see that 1 plus the cotangent squared of theta equals cosecant squared of
Bro.
theta.
What? Yo.
It's interesting to note that all three of these identities are really just the same since they all come from triangle similarity. Also, notice that these two triangles pictured here really contain the same information, it's just one contains the information about the complementary angle. Those values are simply the sine,
Yo,
secant,
when I become a PhD in math, honorary PhD in math, I'm gonna fill out the other triangles. So I'm gonna find something about this is gonna be my master thesis, right? I'm gonna find something. Yep. I'm gonna find what these angles are. I'm gonna find them out. You guys are gonna see it. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic. Should I watch this? Trigonometry, identity with physics, brother. I ain't doing physics, brother. Fuck off. I should watch this for sure.
This video was intended to provide from
Bro, isn't that fucking crazy? Why we... It's just like bunch of bullshit thrown at you instead of like these kind of videos, which is more helpful than anything. Let's see, how long have I been streaming? I'm gonna watch that video and do some couple of sums. Okay, I've been gooning for like 15 minutes, I think. Let's see. Fuck, I got an ingrown hair in my legs. Freaking annoying. Freaking annoying, mate. $10 to get high. Pray that I don't die. But if I die, see you in the sky. 2 pints and a quay. Don't leave, just stay. Okay, 30 minutes, let's raw dog it. Should I do it? Programming with math, the lambda calculus. This is code. Yo, calculus is over it. It's just basic math. It is, bro. It is. Okay. Before I jump knee deep into it, alright, let that be on the side. Let this shit on the B side. Let's just focus on. We have
Let's talk
exponents.
a little bit about calculus.
We got some exponents. We got some integration by parts. I like that. Partial fractions. And what is this? Integration by completing the square and trig substitution. Okay. When I get to this trig, I'm gonna watch that video. Okay.
Square to that. And now u substitution will work. If I let u equal sin x, that would mean that
I'm just gonna do it. Don't really matter, bro. This is so easy. Let's go. Cos squared x dx. We're gonna do cos x is equal to minus 1 sine blah 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 blah. So we're gonna do this simple substitution. So u is equal to, this is like baby math. This is This is like toddler math. It's not even like impressive. Why are you taking that? Are you fucking retarded?
The derivative of u, dx.
Why are you taking that, bro? Oh, it's for that. Dx is gonna be du is gonna be cos x dx. Brother, this is easy, brother. Brother, this is easy, brother. Cos du u squared x ux, okay. 10 bucks to get high, pray that I don't die. No, 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 no. Nitrous don't help me, just put me in a trance. I'm talking about Shoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave her to leave you by my side. No, 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 no. Wait. U minus u, so it's 3 plus c. I think I got it.
I can replace.
Oh, I need to replace all of that. So let's say bro, why is this fun? This is low-key fun. This is low-key fun, and I love Hitler. Okay. This is why it's so important to have good handwriting. It's great. 3 sine x plus minus sine cube x plus 3 is equal to c. Let's see.
With du, x is going to x dx.
Yeah, got it. Let's do another one.
Alright, for example.
What is the complementary? It's all to do with like Pythagoras theorem and all of that bullshit. What is it? Is it like cos square plus sine square is equal to 1? So it is going to be minus cos square. So yeah, easy work. Minus cos squared x plus dx. Should I just integrate it? Yeah. Is gonna be x minus integration of cos x squared. Should I? Oh, I should do by parts, right? Okay. So u is equal to cos squared cos x dx is equal to dx. Now du by dx is equal to sine minus sine x, but I don't see any minus signs though. So what am I doing? What am I doing? Should I? Oh yeah, I think I should. How should I do?
Example 3, we is that's going to allow us to based on the half. Notice the exponent on our side by 1 that sine squared x could be rewritten.
Half square identity. What is that? Half angle identity. visual proof. Bro, this 3 blue one guy. I want to choke him out. I'm the GOAT, nigga. Nigga, I'm the GOAT.
Start with a semicircle of radius 1. Then take the radius and rotate it a fixed angle. The radius has length 1, and let's call the angle created t.
I'm gonna take some sunlight. Okay. This is connected. What is going on? What is going on? Is this connected? Okay, it is connected. So yeah, touch grass, felt good. Time to get serious. Oh, it's cold. Cold as hell. It's a cold world, man. It's a cold world.
T. Drop a perpendicular chord from the endpoint of the radius on the circle down to the horizontal diameter. The length of this
Should I do a trig masterclass? No, probably not. Let's see.
chord is the sine of T. The third leg of the
Bro, just say theta. What the fuck?
triangle formed by the radius of this
Fucking bitch, man. Just say theta. Stop doing this. Oh, it's actually fucking. Just say theta, man.
chord has length cosine of T, so that the
Cosine of theta. Fucking beta, man.
remainder of the horizontal radius has length 1 minus the cosine of T.
No. Tung 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 sahu. Yeah.
The line connecting the other end of the horizontal diameter to the endpoint of the
It's gonna
radius
be not
creates
one.
this triangle, which is isosceles because it has two congruent sides. The supplementary angle to T is 180 minus T, and because the other two angles must be equal,
Yeah, it's gonna be 180 minus theta.
they must be both T over 2.
P over 2. Wait, what? Yeah, it's pi by 2. Nah? Oh, it's theta by 2. How? How is this divided by 2? How? I don't know.
But then,
What is
T
about
over
this
2
triangle?
is an angle inside of this highlighted right triangle. So that the tangent of T over 2 is equal to the sine of
Tangent? What? What are we talking? Tangent what? The line. So is this like an imaginary line going? No, that doesn't even make sense. Is it like? Fuck's sake, mate.
T over 1 plus the cosine.
Okay.
Furthermore, if we create this line segment,
Tangent, like, oh, is this a tangent line? Like, that doesn't even make sense. So, this is tan for some reason. Tan theta by 2 is equal to this thing. sine. Okay, sine is that one. Sine theta by, or I don't know, it's okay, cos theta.
Built a large right-angled triangle by Thales' triangle theorem. And consequently, the two highlighted subtriangles must be similar. Equating the leg ratios then tells us that the sine of t over 1 plus the cosine of t is equal to 1 minus the cosine of t over the sine of t. The semicircle has given us two formulas for the tangent of half an angle.
What is this guy? Should I go trigonometry? Nah, probably not. I'm gonna get the basics of calculus 1 down and hopefully get the linear algebra done and come back to calculus. I think that's the right way to do it. Maybe not. Maybe I should like learn some statistics before that. But yeah. Hilbert curve. Brother. What am I looking at, brother? Looks fun. It's backwards. Mathematical curves. Oh, the Hilbert curve. Coding / animating tutorial fractions. Chaotic quintet number theory. Trigonometry. It's the GOAT. Triangular numbers, Pythagoras theorem. Bro, how do you get this smart? How do you get this smart and only have like this much subscribers? It's like a guy named Andrew Tate just says the N word and has like more followers than you. Isn't that crazy? The white woman who said the N word has like more money than you. It's crazy. Crazy how life plays out. I'm gonna give you a subscribe though. You can have a subscribe. Yeah, let's just. This is identity. Is that what he proved? I didn't really like pay attention. I kind of checked out. Mid explanation, I was like, "Fuck, what am I gonna eat tonight?" yeah. Mid proof, I was like, "Oh man, I need to scratch my butt." Okay, I'll come back to this later. Let's just.
As a half multiplied by now going to a.
I need to know all of this too. That's even the saddest part in all of this.
Allow us to do a U substitution. And before I do that, actually let me move this constant factor. Not. That's okay.
Half circle identity. Half angle identity. That's cool.
And make sure
I'll just go from this thing. We have sine. No. It's 1/2. One minus cos 2x dx. So I'm going to take u to be 2x and dx is going to be du by dx is equal to dx is going to be I need to have like a better handwriting. Fuck. You silly fuck. You, oh my gosh. Look at that. 2 pints on a quick way. Don't leave, just stay, babe. Let's don't wanna wake, leave the whole behind. Dun, 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 dun. Nitrous don't help me, just put me in a trance. I'm talking about euphoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave me, just leave you by my side. Probably be alright. And I'll probably be alright. Nitrous don't help me, just put me in a trance. I'm talking about euphoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave her, just leave her. 10 books to get high, pray that I don't die. Love just see you in the sky. 2 pints and a gray, don't leave, just stay, babe. Let's go on a wake, leave the whole behind. Nitrous don't help me, just put me in a trance. I'm talking about euphoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave me, just leave you by my side. As long as 10 bucks to get high, pray that I don't die. Love just Nitrous don't help me, just put me in the sun. I'm talking about euphoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave me, just be by my side. 10 bucks to get high, pray that I don't die. $10 to get high, pray that I don't die. Larger than I see you in the sky. 2 pints when I quake. Okay, let's.
Close. The integrand that we started with, sine squared x. Must know integration rules number 7. Let's go over some exponential rules that involve exponential functions, log functions, and rational functions. The first rule I want to show you is the integral of e to the power of x dx. Well, because when you differentiate e to the x, you get e to the x. That would mean that the integral of e to the x
Yo,
dx
I'm gonna
is
listen.
just e to the x plus c.
Like, I'm the GOAT. Bitch, I'm the GOAT.
But how about if the base of the power isn't Euler's number e? What if it's any constant? We'll call the constant a. The integral of a to the x dx, where a is any constant, is equal to a to the power of x divided by the natural logarithm of a plus c.
What? Integral of a x is equal to dx is equal to log of a plus c? That's the thing, like, do my math teachers like know all of this, like visually, like how to learn all of this shit? They probably don't. They probably like know it, but they don't like actually know it.
And next, what? If we have the integral of the rational function 1 over x dx. The antiderivative of 1 over x is actually the natural logarithm of the absolute value of x plus c. And now there are actually lots of integration rules you would find in an integral table that involve different rational functions. Let me show you one other really common one you'll come across a lot. What if we want the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx? You'll need to be able to recognize that by the natural logarithm of a plus c. And next, what if we have the integral
What does A mean? What is A? Constant? Some really big constant?
dx plus c? But how about if the base of the power isn't Euler's number e? What if it's any constant? We'll call the constant a. The integral of a to the x dx, where a is any constant, is equal to a to the power of x divided by the natural logarithm of a plus c. And next, what if we have the integral of the rational function 1 over x dx? The antiderivative of 1 over x is actually the natural logarithm of the absolute value of x plus c. And now there
What
are
the
actually
fuck?
lots of
How does that even make sense? What? 1 by x is logarithm? What the fuck are you talking? What even is logarithm?
integration rules you would find in an integral table that involve different rational functions. Let me show you one other really common one you'll come across a lot. What if we want the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx? You'll need to be able to recognize that as being arctan or inverse tan of x plus c. And now there are tons of different integral rules for different types of rational functions, but these are two that you should immediately be able to recognize, so I wanted to show you those here in this section. And I do want to do one example in this section where we find the indefinite integral of a rational function. Notice I want the integral.
Okay, let's try this. This is the aesthetic, like crushed papers. Whoa, this guy's a mad genius doing basic integration. Whoa, this guy's so smart. Yeah, we know. We know I'm really smart. Don't mention it.
Of 1 over 3x plus 1 dx. Because I have a linear function in the denominator, I should be able to use this rule after doing a u sub.
What is logarithm anyway? 10 bucks to get. I pray that I don't die. Nitrous don't help me, just put me in a trance. I'm talking about euphoria, I'm not talking about a man. Told her to leave me just Two pints when I quake, wait, don't leave, just stay, babe, just going away, okay, leave the whole behind. Okay, plus C. Oh, did I do something wrong? I think so. Bro, why am I keep getting these funny thoughts? So funny. Okay, whatever. 3x. Oh, I want to kill someone. Fuck. So the integration with that be, I want to kill someone. Fuck. U plus C. Man, why do I have like so much repressed anger? It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy how crazy I am.
Substitution EU, third change. Now you can see this below. It's equal. So here's general. If you're finding the integral, square it over by the natural logarithm of the absolute value of the linear function. And we could have used this exact rule and got. The same answer that we got here using a U substitution. Must know integration method number 8, integration by parts. Up until now we've covered a bunch of different integration rules, some strategies, and the method of U substitution. Here's the next main method, integration by parts. Let me start by showing you the rule for integration by parts. It says that the integral of U dv is equal to U times V minus the integral of V du. And what this rule allows us to do is to be able to change the integrand into something that might be easier to find the antiderivative of. Let me show you exactly how it works and how you're going to recognize when you're going to be able to use it. In example 1, I want the integral of x sine x dx. Normally, when we have a product of functions of x, you would try U substitution. But for U substitution to work, we need one of those functions of x to be equal to the derivative of the other one. Well, the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of sine x is cos x. So U substitution is not going to work. So what we'll do instead is this new method called integration by parts. When doing integration by parts, I want to look at my two functions of x and start by deciding which one of them is going to be my function u. Now notice in this formula, whatever I choose to be u, later on in the formula, I will need du. So I'll need to be able to differentiate u, and I want the derivative of u to be very simple. So when I'm choosing between x and sine x, for which one is going to be my u function, I want to choose the one where when I differentiate the function, it gets simpler. But when I differentiate x, it gets simpler. It goes to 1. But when I differentiate sine x, it stays at about the same complexity. It becomes cos x. So I'll let my u be equal to x. And if I differentiate u, du would equal just 1 dx. Now that I've chosen u, everything that remains, so the sine x dx, must be my dv. And this is just a differential notation that tells me the derivative of v is equal to sine x, which means function v would be equal to whatever the antiderivative of sine x is. And the antiderivative of sine x is negative cos x. So notice what I did is I chose a function for u, and then I differentiated it to find what du is equal to, and then I chose what dv was equal to, and then I integrated it to find what v was equal to. And now I have everything I need to be able to use this formula. This integral of u dv I know is equal to u times simpler than x. Algebraic is higher on the list, so I will choose that, the x squared, to be my u. Well, integration by parts.
Light, bro. I'm so light. Integration by parts, partial fractions. Integration completing the square. Oh, integration by parts. I need to learn this. No, shut up, you little Joe. Integration by parts.
Let's talk a little bit about calculus 2.
Why is my computer so slow? Integration by parts. What should I? I'm hearing voices. I'm just hearing voices, bro. It's crazy. Am I schizophrenic? I could be schizophrenic. I don't know. Let's see. Indefinite integrals, basic integral problems for a trig function calculus. Okay. Ole. Let's see multivariable calculus. Let's see how difficult it is. Can I even keep up? How the fuck am I supposed to? Bro, what even is going on there? What even is that? What am I supposed to find out? Am I supposed to find out the curve? What is that? Bro, why is that like that? Fuck. It is rocket science though. Let's be fucking honest here. Multivariable calculus. Allahu Akbar. What's going on? Calculus 3. Learn vector calculus. Allahu Akbar.
If you've taken a calculus course before, you may have been taught in this order. This makes absolutely no sense, right? I mean, integrals are the opposite of derivatives, and to even define derivatives, you need limits, right? Well, this ordering is closer to how the idea is developed historically. That being said, where on this map do you think the first calculus concepts began? Here? Maybe here? Because
it's in
here.
India.
And where in this
Persia.
timeline do you think calculus began? Because it's around here. The story begins with the ancient Greeks. What were they up to? Let's start with a tour of old math.
Bro, this is interesting, but I'd actually learn. Top 10 calculus, ultimate study guide. Top 10? Motherfuckers be doing top 10 calculus. Fuck. Is mathematics difficult? Is it an IQ thing? Do I have the IQ? Some easier one I'll get. Let's do a test. Let's test our knowledge. Please specify the topic. Okay, brother. Bro, I just did. Fucking piece of shit. Already signed in. Bro, I did sign in. I have an account. I'm already signed in, you bumperclot. Okay. Before I do that, let me... So I have 7 questions. Dun, 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 dun. Bro, that song's stuck in my head. Loki. Compute the derivative. Bro, easy work. Easy work. So what are we doing? F of x is equal to phi just derivative? Are you sure? Like I can do like a lot of other things. I mean 15x square minus 4. Like why is this so easy? Limits, I don't know limits. Fuck. Let me just do it then. Limits x is reaching to 0. I mean reaching to 3 x squared. Zero, zero, infinite. 6, 6, I don't know, like 3, 3. What do you want? Like 3, I think. Minus 6. Check. Oh, I should just put this shit as 0, right? It's equal to 0. Goes that side. Is that right? Is that right? Why is 6? I don't even know. Show steps. Why is that oh, it's just like I don't know, limits. Next question. Oh, this where I shine, bro. Now the next was how we do it. Okay. Should I do, yeah, just integration, basic integration. So bro, this question is easy. It is x for power to the power 4 minus 2. What am I looking at? This one? No. It's what am I looking at? What? X to the power of 3? No way. It is 4. It should be the other way around. This one, but why is it check? Bro, what the fuck? That's the answer that I got, but okay, differentiate. I don't know what limit is. What is limit? How do I differentiate limits? I don't know. Should I go 1 by x? Is that what it is? Let's just do that. Let's 1 by 6x. I'm just gonna go with this one because I don't really know. Okay, 1 by, what is this? The same, oh. So that's the, so the formula derivative is just like logarithms equal to 1 by x. X. Okay, easy work. Check again. Use implicit derivative, find dux. Implicit derivation, I don't know, let's write down all the shit that I don't know. I need to learn logarithm, implicit differentiation. I'm just gonna do it. I don't. Why is this easy though? Oh, it's I have like no shot in solving this. I'm gonna do, I can't even substitute the u though. Show steps. Yes. Brother, just give me it. I don't care. A rectangular area has fixed 35. That is express is perimeter p in the terms of x. Okay. The length of one side is minimum value. What? How do you know minimum value? Okay. Evaluate the definite integral. This gotta be easy. It's 6, 7. Okay, I need to learn how integration by parts work. And logarithmic function.
This is
You can, it's entertainment. Should I end the stream? I'm getting cooked. I'm getting cooked, G. I need to get a haircut. Fuck. I look like a homeless guy. I look like a homeless bum. Okay, I'm just gonna end the stream right there. I'm gonna come back to do some calculus, check out some statistics.
Talk a little bit
I'm
about
gonna work on my
Calculus 2.
project
So for those of you that don't know, Calculus 2 has a rep.
from the backside. I'm not really gonna show it.
It's considered
What
to
is
be
this? What's
the
this on?
hardest calculus class